How to activate Bank of Montreal credit card without logging into any account. Let's get started. First up, you can use this web page. Head towards the website www.bmo.com. You will be directed to this page. From here, you can easily activate your card. All you have to do is provide the card details. First up, type in your 6-digit card number, then expiration date, and the security code. Once you provide all the details, click on Next and go through the activation process. With that, the card will be activated. Next up, you can use the activation number. Dial 1-800-263-2263, which is the official BMO credit card activation line. When prompted, enter your card details, 16-digit credit card number, expiration date, and 3-digit security code. For security purposes, the system may ask you to verify your identity by providing last 4 digits of your social insurance number, your billing postal code. Once your identity is verified, the system will confirm that your BMO credit card has been successfully activated. You can start using your card immediately for online and in-store purchases. So this way you can easily activate your credit card. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.